Good afternoon, Bharat. This is Nakul Chaturvedi, and you are watching N Bharat Media Network. Let's look on the headlines. Gaganyatri Shubhanshu Shukla has successfully completed all 7 microgravity experiments in space. Now returning to the Earth, NASA explained the details. The Havan Pujan is going on in Haridwar for the safe returning of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Akhada Parishad President Ravindra Puri anointed 21 liters of milk on the Shivlinga with the chanting of mantras. Now the news in details. Gaganyatri Shubhanshu Shukla has successfully completed all 7 microgravity experiments and other planned activities, achieving a significant milestone in the mission. Experiments on Indian strain, sprouting of methi and moong seeds, cyanobacteria, microalgae, crop seeds and Voyager display have been completed as planned. ISRO said on Monday, July 14, 2025. Group Captain Shukla is the first Indian to reach space in the last 41 years. ISRO had assigned to him several microgravity research experiments proposed by Indian principal investigators from various national R&D laboratories and academic institutions. During his stay in ISS, Group Captain Shukla also spoke with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and had a couple of interactions with the student community back home via ham radio. The AX4 research complement includes around 60 scientific studies and activities representing 31 countries including the US, India, Poland, Hungary, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, Nigeria, UAE and nations across Europe. NASA has said that the Dragon spacecraft is returning with more than 580 pounds of cargo including NASA hardware and data from over 60 experiments conducted during the mission. Akhada Parishad President Ravindra Puri Maharaj anointed 21 liters of milk on the Shivling with the chanting of mantras. This worship was done with full rituals and good wishes were made for the safe return of Shubhanshu Shukla from the whole country. This is the first time that a ritual has been performed for the return of an astronaut in the holy city of Haridwar. Talking about this ritual, Mahant Ravindra Puri Maharaj said that this is a matter of pride not only for the whole of India but the whole world, that Shubhanshu Shukla is returning after completing the mission of which he went there. Shubhanshu Shukla is expected to return today around 3 p.m. from the Dragon spacecraft of the coast of California.
देखिए, आज आप देख रहे हैं हमारे शुभांशु शुक्ला जी जो पृथ्वी से आज जो पृथ्वी पे लैंड हो रही है, अंतरिक्ष से पृथ्वी पे लैंड हो रही है। आज मन उत्साहित है। आज ये मन में लग रहा है कितना जल्दी 3 बज जाएं, वो पृथ्वी पे आ जाएं, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। आपने देखा होगा इससे पहले हमारे राकेश शर्मा जी अंतरिक्ष में गए थे, चांद पे गए थे। उसके पश्चात शुभांशु शुक्ला जी है जो अंतरिक्ष से पृथ्वी पे आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि अंतरिक्ष के बारे में सब जानते हैं लेकिन ये कोई नहीं जानता वहाँ क्या है क्या नहीं है। वहाँ शुक्ला जी ही जानते हैं। शुक्ला जी सकुशल जो है हमारी पृथ्वी पे आ जाए, उनकी पूरी टीम आ जाए, उनको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद साधुवाद। जब वो पृथ्वी पे लैंड करेंगे पूरे भारत में दिवाली मनाई जाएगी, पटाखे फोड़े जाएंगे, भगवान को दोबारा अभिषेक होगा। पूरा मतलब हमारा मन में यही है कि देखिए, साइंटिस्ट किसी एक का नहीं होता, साइंटिस्ट पूरे विश्व के होते हैं। उनके एक्सपेरिमेंट पूरे विश्व के लिए काम में लाए जाते हैं। हम उनको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद साधुवाद देना चाहेंगे। वो जल्दी से पृथ्वी पे लैंड हो जाएंगे।
Keep watching N Bharat Media Network.